Hello, I'd like to show you a little bit about how to request courses for your son for next year. Once you've logged into our MyCC system, what I want you to do is go over and click your son's name. So in this case, it's student first. Now, after you've done that, you'll notice that we've got this progress tab, which next year, that's where you will go to see how your son is doing. Then we've got this course request tab and contact card. Now, go to the course request tab and you'll see that this has all of the course requests that are available. Now right here, these are going to be already locked into your son's schedule. All right, this class right here, Christology and Revelation, all freshmen, incoming freshmen, are required to take a full year of religion, 2 semesters of religion, Revelation and Christology. All freshmen will also have a lunch period. And it's already locked in, and they will also already have a health period. So all of those classes are all set to go, all locked in. Um, Once you have done that, then what you want to do is you want to select your other courses. You want to make sure that you request a math course. In this case, we've got Algebra 1A and Algebra 1B. 1A is for the first semester, 1B is for the second semester. So when you have a class that has an A and a B, you need to make sure to request both of those sections. Um, if your son is an honors math student, then you can select this. And then we also have plane geometry that is available. If you do have any questions about which class that your son should be placed into, don't hesitate to contact the admissions office or contact the counselors in regards to that information. Then then I would go ahead and go to English because every student needs to take an English class, and you can see the same thing right here. Now, as far as the reading skills and reading comprehension and study skills course, unless it is already in your son's schedule, do not select this course. All right, that will be put in manually by us, but unfortunately, I can't make this disappear from the course request. After you've done English, then you want to make sure that you choose a phys ed. Every freshman is required to take health, but as far as physical education is concerned, there are 2 options. There's beginning wrestling or regular physical education. So make sure to choose one of those. That's mandatory. And then we've got social studies. Social studies, the only freshman social studies course that's available is U.S. history and geography. Theology, those are already selected, so you don't need to worry about requesting those. But then you have some options that are available. If your son wants to start off and take science with biology A or biology B, they can, or they can take honors, and that would be something that you want to discuss with your counselor as far as the honors course goes. If your son is interested in music, we have beginning band, concert and marching band, jazz ensemble, and marching and symphonic band, and these are things that marching and symphonic band, jazz ensemble, string orchestra that you are going to have to try out for. Miscellaneous, if you want a study hall. If your son wants a full year study hall, then you're going to need to request study hall A and study hall B. If your son wants or you want your son to have just a study hall for a semester, you can just request the study hall for a specific semester. Languages, these are all the different foreign language opportunities that we have available for our students. So Spanish 1A, Spanish 1B. As you can see here, we don't have French 2 or Spanish 2 or Latin 2 or Mandarin Chinese 2 that are available for students to take. And that would be something that you'd want to go over with your counselor in regards to going into those classes. We also have a lot of fine arts selections that are available. Cinema Production 1, Graphic Design 1. These are each semester courses. And then we've got Intro to Art A and Intro to Art B. That's a full year course. So if you're taking Intro to Art, you're going to want to make sure that you do the A and the B. Intro to Drama and Photoshop are also available. And in the computers and technology department, some of the options that we have are also cinema production, keyboarding, computer literacy, robotics, and website design with Dreamweaver. So those are all of the different courses that we have available that your son can take throughout. And when you are ready for your son to take a course, say we want to go to mathematics and he's an honor student, so you just hit request and you can see that that jumps into right there. And since it's an A and B, we want to make sure that we do that. Say you made a mistake and you're like, no, I made a mistake. You can just go ahead and hit the trash can and it removes that. And then you can go, nope, I want to take Algebra 1A and Algebra 1B. What I would recommend is after you've done, put those requests in, just hit save. And right now it's going to say, oops, you need to enter at least 8 academic requests for first semester and 8 academic requests for second semester. So it's letting you know that right now it's incomplete. So you want to make sure to go back in there and make sure that you choose enough requests to have. So Algebra 1A, Algebra 1B. Let's go ahead and select the English courses, Honors English 1, Honors English 2. Then I'm going to minimize that. I want to take wrestling. So I've got that. So right now I've got, these are 1 year. So that's 1. 2 for freshman lunch because that's a full year course. Health and phys ed, or health and wrestling, that's 3. We need 8 to total. Algebra 1A and Algebra 1B, that's 4. Honors English 1A and Honors English 1B, that's 5. So right now we've got 1 course, 1 year course, 2, and with this 3, 4, 5. So we need 3 more courses. I'm going to select science and social studies, and then a study all. And you can see it equals 8 requests per term. So 8 first semester, 6 second semester, and 2 are any term. That means that they could appear either in the first semester or the second semester. So we've got that. And then we just go ahead and we click save. And it says, please select course only once. So maybe I made a mistake. Oh, it looks like right here, you can see that I selected Honors Biology twice, Biology A. So I need to remove that, and I need to go back to my science and select Honors Biology B. And there it is, and then I click save. And it's, once you see this saved button down here, it's saved. And now you can go in and you're all set. So if you go back to the progress tab, and then go back into your course request, you're going to see that you've got all of this set up. 7 courses for the first semester, 7 courses for the second semester, and 2 courses that can be either in the first semester or the second semester, depending on how the scheduling is going to fall through. And that equals the 8 requests per term. So we have now a complete schedule for your particular student. So hopefully this makes sense. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the admissions office or contact your son's counselor and the counseling department. Thank you. Have a great day.